we have f of x equal 3x plus 1 and g of x equal 4x. So what if I want f of g of 4? So f of g of 4, if I want to find it, I have first to substitute 4 inside g of x because I need to find f of g of 4. So substitute 4 inside g of x first. Okay, so you have 4 times 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. Then use the result, which is 16, to substitute it inside f. So f of 16 here, find it, it's by substituting inside f, 3 times 16 plus 1, so mean that f of g of 4 equal 49. Same as if you want to find g of f of 4. So you need to find g of f of 4. So substitute 4 inside g of f first. So f of 4 equal 3 times 4 plus 1, which is 13. Then use the result to substitute it inside g of x. So g of 13, it's 4 times 13. So mean that g of f of 4 equal 52. So this is how to evaluate the composite function for numerical. Now, look to the same example, f of x equal 3x plus 1 and g of x equal 4x. Now, I want to find f of g of x. So here, if I want to evaluate it, it's easy. Start with f, okay, which is the outer function, and rewrite f like this and put in the place of x brackets. Now, inside this bracket, substitute the inner function, which is g of x. So g of x substituted just inside the brackets, and then do your calculation by multiplying 3 times 4x. Here it's 12x plus 1. So this is the answer for f of g of x. The same if I want to find g of f of x. So here do the same things. The outer function is g, so rewrite g and in the place of x put brackets, and inside this bracket substitute f of x, which is 3x plus 1. And then do multiplying with distributive. 4 times 3x is 12x, and 4 times 1 is 1, so the answer is 12x plus 4. So this is how to evaluate the composite function. If I don't have a numerical, I have here expression. Okay, look to this example here. We have special case. We have f of x equal 5x plus 2, and we have g of x equal x minus 2 over 5. I will do the same here. Find f of g of x. So do the same things. Start with f, put f here, and the place of x put brackets. Now inside this brackets, I can substitute g of x, which is x minus 2 over 5. Here, if I want to do the calculation, I can cancel 5 with 5 since times and divide here, and then I have x minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 is equal 0, so the answer is x. The same if I want g of f of x, so do the same things, start with g of x, and in the place of x put brackets. Now inside this bracket substitute f of x, so I have it like this. Now remove the brackets, plus 2 and minus 2 can be cancelled because it's 0, and we have 5x over 5, also 5, it can be cancelled with 5, so the answer here also is x. So when I have composite of two functions and the answer is x, so I can say that f of x and g of x are inverse of each other.